Hi, my name is John Kelly at the Kelly Law Team, and I'd like to speak with you today about hospital liens and bills after you've been injured and have a personal injury claim. So have you received a lien letter in the mail from the county? Should have a heading that says something like Notice and Claim of Healthcare Provider Lien, and usually it will have bold words like unofficial document in the top right, and it'll have a signature from the county. It should also list the hospital and the lien holder, and typically it will give you a dollar amount that they're claiming. If you have, there are several very important things to know about before you go panic about a hospital lien. Keep in mind that this is basically the hospital telling you that if you settled a personal injury claim, they have a right to get paid back out of the money that you receive. So when you settle it, they're going to come after you and it'll be a collection. Now, they don't have a right for reimbursement unless you make a claim and receive funds. So the thing to understand is that the hospital lien needs to get addressed before you take your money out of the settlement, or they can come after you and collect, as I've suggested. At the Kelly Law Team, what we do is we take liens very seriously and make sure that we ensure there's a valid lien first. It's important. If it is a valid lien, then we negotiate that lien for you very aggressively so that you don't pay the full amount back to the hospital. You will instead pay a reduced amount. And our firm puts great effort in seeking steep reductions and sometimes getting complete waivers of the lien where you don't have to pay it back. We do this by communicating effectively with the other side, which is typically a law firm that the hospital hired. And we tell you your full story to them, and we submit documents to them and about your injury and your recovery process. We have very good relationships with other firms, and you'll see firms like Gamage and Burnham in Arizona, which is an Arizona law firm that typically handles a lot of the liens for hospitals. After we negotiate the liens down as low as possible, you can rest assured that you will not have the hospital sending you bills after you receive your money from the settlement. We do all the accounting for you down to the very penny to show you that you aren't going to have someone collecting. And we do this work so that you can feel confident that your settlement money is all yours and you can keep more of it. Our goal is to maximize the amount that you receive from the settlement, then reduce the amount that you will need to pay back. So if you have any questions regarding this process and have received a letter in the mail with a hospital lien, please feel free to reach out to the Kelly Law Team at 602-283-4122.